My name is Vasu Kakarlapudi. I'm an ear, nose, and throat surgeon at Advanced ENT and Allergy. Grew up in Kansas City, went to college and medical school in the Midwest, and in Kansas City and did my residency in Baltimore, Maryland, and have been in New Albany since 2000. Well, a lesser known fact about me is that I am very into meditation. So I meditate twice a day. I get 95% of the time I get the first meditation in, and probably about 85% of the time I get the second meditation in. So my favorite hobby is to be in the mountains. So in the summertime, I love hiking, and in the wintertime, I love skiing. My favorite thing about living in the Louisville, southern Indiana area is the four seasons. I like all four seasons, and we get a chance to experience, mild weather, hot weather, cold weather, and the changing of the colors, especially in the fall. So I tried to be a baseball player, and when I tried out for the high school team in Kansas City, I got politely rejected. So I realized at that point that I was not going to be able to support myself playing professional sports. So I was naturally good at school, and I loved science, and loved interacting with people, and so it seemed like a natural career choice. So we actually helped form this practice called Advanced ENT and Allergy, which was a conglomeration of a merger of 3 different individual practices. And so we've been here from the beginning, from March of 2010 was when Advanced started. Well, I think what makes me unique is I kind of view myself as an ear, nose, and throat health coach instead of just as a physician, because I really believe that the patient has more control over their health than the doctor. And my job is to kind of help find where the weak spots are in this patient's ENT health and then help them improve. I love the fact that I can provide a wide variety of services, from medical, simple medications, all the way to between there and in-office procedures to surgical procedures, all without having to send you elsewhere. I'd like to have my patients know that we are here to treat people like our own family members, and everything that we do is stuff that we would do exactly the same for our family. My proudest professional accomplishment is bringing in-office procedures to our practice. There has been an explosion in technology in our specialty, and we have been able to kind of assemble a team of providers that can now actually provide solutions to patients in a much less invasive fashion than surgery, with a lot less expense, a lot less time off their life, and a much easier recovery. My favorite ENT issue to treat is chronic sinusitis. It's a very, very common disease in the Ohio Valley, and previously there was only medicine or surgery, and now we have this hybrid option where patients can get a lot of the benefits of surgery in the office without having to go through all the pain, suffering, expense, and recovery of a surgical solution. One of the things I'm most proud of about Advanced ENT and Allergy is that we're constantly evolving. Just since in the 19-20 years since I've been out in practice, so much has changed in ENT, and our goal is to try to be on the forefront of new technology that is available to patients, that we can provide them the latest and greatest, not just practicing medicine the way that it used to be practiced, but in a modern way that provides them optimal benefits.